We are going to have a look on the mobile application of Salesforce Automation Suite. For a brief, let us understand what is SFA. SFA tool is used to track our field employee, which includes live field tracking, tracking of their sales funnel, meeting scheduler, expenses tracker, accurate distance tracking, and whatnot. For every user, there will be a unique user ID and password which can be accessible on mobile application and web application. Our mobile app is compatible on both iOS and Android. User can make changes in his profile, which you can see on the left side of the screen. To start the outdoor duty, one has to toggle the OD button. The system starts capturing the login time and location right from then, which you can see on the right side of the screen. User can also view total scheduled meetings or calls for a particular day. Now please note that the application will run in the background once the OD button is on, and after each completed meeting, a form needs to be submitted which can facilitate the proper route map tracking against each meeting. Now we can add the clients, vendors, leads, etc. once the meeting is over from the sections visible on the screen. For that, we need to click on the meeting tab in order to add our clients. There you can see all the records of your past meetings and existing pipeline by selecting the calendar months. You can also see the total distance traveled along with the traveling allowances. Application also allows the user to submit the other expenses like food, lodging, etc. with proper bill copies. Now let's see how to add a client meeting. Step 1. On the right corner from the plus tab, you can add any new vendor or client, and against each tag, you can choose existing or new. Now let's see what happens if we select the existing client while adding a client. Here, you can see all the existing client base and you can search and select any of the existing client to update the meeting summary or to schedule the next meeting. On the other hand, if you want to add a new client, you have to submit a new form to process and save the visit records for later on purpose. Application will also capture the accurate live location of the users along with their selfies. Please see the details in the form to have a clear understanding. This form is completely customizable on the basis of your requirements. We will apply the same procedure in order to add our vendors. Now coming to the leads management. Under this option, system allows you to see all the existing leads without showing you the main meeting dashboard. User can also call, email, and client session. User can also add new leads from the plus button displayed in the top right corner. Now coming to the main section of our application, which is follow-ups. In sales, keeping proper follow-ups is mandatory, and it becomes very much difficult when we don't have something to track through our meetings or to provide a useful insight into our work. From this section, you can keep a track on all your scheduled meetings. NYGGS SFA allows salesperson to schedule or reschedule client meetings. NYGGS sends you notification for any upcoming meetings, and the admin gets alerts for all the attended or missed meetings. Furthermore, the filter option allows you to get the desired insight on specific client and status, which establishes transparency and can save a hell lot of time. NYGGS SFA also supports tracking of expenses, which you can see on the screen. Employee can track their daily or monthly expenses using the expense tracker. At last, once all the task has been completed, user has to switch off the OD tab and log out from the application. Now, system has captured total working hours and the attendance status for the day. NYGGS generates the ID against each meeting and redirect the same to the admin portal for accurate route map tracking, visits done, total distance tracking against each visit, the discussions of the meetings, expenses tracking, etc. We hope this video has given you enough understanding on the mobile application of NYGGS Salesforce Automation. Please don't forget to watch the video of Web Application 2 to understand the working of admin portal.